Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best HelloFresh gift card is probably one of the most thoughtful and convenient presents you can give, offering recipients the joy of delicious, home-cooked meals without the hassle of meal planning or grocery shopping, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals, new parents, or anyone looking to explore new culinary experiences with fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to their door, simplifying their weeknight dinners and expanding their cooking repertoire effortlessly. Number 5. Amazon EGIFT Card. Looking for a versatile present? This digital gift card is ideal for any occasion, ensuring your loved ones get exactly what they want. You can rest assured knowing it never expires and carries no hidden fees. Its full value is always available for use. Select from various designs and denominations to personalize your gift. Recipients can redeem it towards millions of items across the store. Need a last-minute gift? It's available for immediate delivery via email or SMS. You can even schedule it up to a year in advance for future events. This card is exclusively for purchases on Amazon.com and certain related sites. Please note, it is non-returnable and non-refundable. What we like? This card offers ultimate flexibility and convenience. It never expires and carries no fees, making it a worry-free gift. If you are looking for a versatile gift that can be used for virtually anything, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Deluxe Recipe Binder. Do you have cherished family recipes or new culinary creations? This binder is designed to keep them safe and organized for years to come. It's the perfect way to pass down your favorite dishes. Unlike pre-filled cookbooks, it allows you to write in your own unique recipes. Personalize every page with your special ingredients and cooking tips. Make it truly yours. Featuring a charming chalkboard design, it adds a touch of rustic elegance to your kitchen. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. This binder is as beautiful as it is functional. Keep all your favorite recipes neatly categorized and easily accessible. No more searching through loose papers or digital files. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. It makes an ideal gift for home cooks, newlyweds, or anyone who loves to bake and cook. Help them create their own culinary collection. They will surely appreciate this thoughtful and practical present. What we like? This binder is perfect for preserving cherished family recipes. It allows you to handwrite and organize your favorite dishes in one place. If you love cooking and want to create a personalized culinary legacy, this item is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Dessie 100 Unique Christmas Card Set. Discover a collection of 100 distinct Christmas and holiday note cards. Each one boasts its own beautiful artistic design, ensuring no two cards are alike. These cards come with a short, cheerful greeting already printed inside. There's also ample space for you to add your own personal sentiments and make each message truly special. Every set includes 100 high-quality, assorted color envelopes to match your cards. For an extra special touch, we've also included 100 matching sealing stickers. Make a lasting impression with these premium holiday greeting cards. They are crafted from thick, heavy-duty matte cardstock, ensuring a luxurious feel. You don't have to compromise on quality for amazing value. These 4x6-inch cards offer a high-end feel, comparable to leading brands, all while being an excellent choice for your holiday needs. What we like? This set provides a vast collection of unique cards for the holiday season. Each card features a distinct design and a pre-written greeting, saving you time. If you need to send many holiday wishes and appreciate variety and convenience, this collection is perfect. What people say. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. Number 2. Best Paper Greetings Home Buyer Greeting Kit. Celebrate new beginnings with our premium greeting kit. It includes 36 blank cards and envelopes, perfect for real estate agents or anyone welcoming new homeowners. These cards make sharing your best wishes effortless and heartfelt. Each card features a blank interior, offering ample space for your unique message. You can easily convey personalized sentiments, making every card a special congratulatory note. Add your personal touch to celebrate their new milestone. Discover 6 beautifully illustrated designs that capture the joy of a new home. These welcome home cards offer a unique aesthetic appeal, ensuring your greetings are always stylish. Choose the perfect design to express your warm wishes. Crafted from premium cardstock, these cards provide a smooth writing experience for any pen, marker, or pencil. They are perfectly sized to include a meaningful photograph alongside your message. Your words will look as good as they feel. This card set is ideal for real estate professionals or anyone congratulating friends on their new home. The included envelopes ensure sending your warm wishes is both convenient and stylish. It's a practical and thoughtful way to connect. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for celebrating new homeowners. It offers elegant house-themed designs and blank interiors for personal messages. If you are a real estate professional or want to congratulate friends on their new home, this set is perfectly suited. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. Hadley Designs 15 Gold IOU Love Vouchers. Want to make that special person feel truly cherished? These unique love vouchers are designed to be a memorable hit. They're a meaningful gift, much easier to use than a whole book, and sure to be treasured. Strengthen your bond and create unforgettable moments together. Each coupon helps you build lasting memories, like a spontaneous romantic adventure. Dare yourselves to explore new experiences as a couple. Add excitement and strengthen your relationship on date night. These vouchers offer playful ideas, from fun with chocolate to a relaxing bath for two. Let your imagination lead the way to new levels of intimacy. Searching for an amazing gift for your spouse, partner, or fiancé? These cute cardstock vouchers are ideal for any special occasion. They make a unique and thoughtful present for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. Crafted with care, these 15 separate cards boast a beautiful design and quality cardstock. They are not only charming but also durable, ensuring your heartfelt gestures last. What we like. These vouchers are a unique and romantic way to show affection. They encourage shared experiences and can add excitement to a relationship. If you are looking for a creative and personal gift to make your significant other feel special, these coupons are a fantastic option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.